Do you understand that the other party that we don't have wage information for him
Yes.
and that the state wishes to move forward establishing him as the legal father,
Yes.
but you're contesting that today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you're not requesting a non-disclosure because there's been no acts of family violence.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you've stated that the other party has not been active in the child's life since April 2023.
Correct.
Or do you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court notes William Jones was served July 20th, 2024. Mr. Jones actually has filed an answer, so let me look at that. Okay, so he filed an answer, just says he doesn't understand why we're doing a child support case, I guess, is the general gist here. And we sent notice to him about today's court date.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and proceed.
Your Honor, this is a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. The custodial parent doesn't want to move forward with an order, but the state would like to establish the non-custodial parent in this matter. Ms. Beltran, can you state your full name
My name is Melanie Beltran.
and the name of your child?
He is 2 years old.
Ma'am, has there been acts of family violence between you and the other party?
No, ma'am.
The state's requesting to set child support at $193 starting November 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement with that?
No.
And can you state your reason why?
I'm not seeking child support. I'm actually seeking to just get the case dismissed.
Okay. And you understand that the other party that we don't have wage information for him
Yes.
and that the state wishes to move forward establishing him as the legal father,
Yes.
but you're contesting that today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you're not requesting a non-disclosure because there's been no acts of family violence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you've stated that the other party has not been active in the child's life since April 2023.
Correct.
And you are aware that the state's requesting for you to be named the sole managing conservator?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you provide health and dental insurance for your child?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And the state's proposing that the non-custodial parents pay $56 towards that November 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement?
No.
And you're also not requesting any retroactive child support?
No, I'm not.
You're requesting a non-geographic restriction, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're requesting that no visitation be granted to the other party?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you state why?
There should be no reason for visitation if he doesn't come and visit now.
And it's your understanding that he has one other child.
Yes, ma'am.
And the state's proposing for court costs to be billed to him today. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, other than the fact that you don't want to go forward, is there anything that you feel that the court should know about your case?
No, ma'am.
Your Honor, I pass the witness.
All right, Ms. Beltran, are you definitely sure that he is the biological father of this child?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let's see. So he's not visiting, you're not living together. I'm assuming he's probably also not helping you financially. Why would we want to not do an order where he can help you financially?
Because he already had said that even if I did take him through child support, he wasn't going to be able to provide anything or give him anything financially and what he needs. So,
Is
I
he
don't see the
disabled in some
point.
way?
It was through a message, but I got a new phone and none of the messages transferred over.
I'm not asking about your
Um,
phone. I'm asking, is he disabled?
no,
Is he able to work?
yes,
Then he can pay child support, right?
correct.
Okay. So you're just gonna go and you don't need to be his attorney. He needs to help you financially, even if it's just a little bit. Doesn't
I
that make
mean,
sense?
yeah, but I don't seek anything, don't want anything. I got a good job. I'm able to, provide everything financially on what Emiliano needs.
Okay. Well, I'm not dismissing your case. I'm gonna do the order that the state requested, which is child support of the 193, the medical support. I think it was $56. I'm not doing any back child support since you didn't request that. Doing no visitation at this time. You to carry the health insurance, and then no geographic restriction. That'll be the order. He needs to pay through the child support office if he wants to get credit. You don't need to represent him. He needs to help you financially. Extra money would always help anybody. So there's no reason why he can't do that. And just because he sends you a text message doesn't mean that he's correct. He's wrong. He should be financially obligated to support his child. He has an obligation and a duty to do that. And so he should at least pay these amounts here in this court order. All right, the Attorney General's office is going to put that in an order and email you a copy, and then they'll work on trying to find out where he's working so they can send out a withholding order. All right, you're done with court, Ms. Beltran. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Thank you.